expectations from the school authorities would be very simple: a close cooperation and a congenial, cordial atmosphere to work for the betterment of the existing students who are undergoing their schooling in RAI campus today. Their technical knowledge, their technical prowess, and the current date update that can be rendered in terms of any support by the ERA Society would be a serious request put at the end of the school administration. By doing so, we would be able to help our students achieve a good thing. As well as the entire school administration should feel ERA as an inclusive part of their own. Whatever betterment we can do for the school existing structure, because we have got ample opportunities and ample infrastructure provided by the Haryana administration. However, certain small changes or crucial juncture changes would be sought, asked and put in place by the financial oblique material management aspects that can be given out by the ERA Society to the school campus. In this regard, we have to see that the school administration feels a genuine concern and a two-way traffic that is based on mutual trust, mutual cooperation and mutual inclusivity for each other is always our top priority. In doing so, we would be able to do a lot of good work and adequate justice and a timely gesture of being the seniors to the existing students, as well as the school administration should feel that our society is doing our positive bit for the betterment of our campus. Thank you.
Ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. This is our payback time. We should not look for what school can contribute to our lives, but what we can contribute to the school. स्कूल का एक स्वर्णिम दौर था और वो अब वापिस आ रहा है. उसी स्कूल का एक स्टूडेंट उसका पीएनडी बन रहा है. इससे बड़ा सौभाग्य और क्या हो सकता है. अब जरूरत यह है कि हम सब अपना जोर उसी दिशा में लगाएं. जब बारिश ज्यादा हो गई थी तो कृष्ण जी ने गोवर्धन उठा लिया था. उसके बाद सारे गांव वालों ने अपनी अपनी लाठियां डाली थी. भाइयों और बहनों, स्कूल तो पीएनडी ही चलाएगा, गोवर्धन तो कृष्ण ही उठाएगा. आपका मेरा काम है अपनी अपनी लाठी लगाना. If Colonel Moore is listening to this, if school and staff and students are listening to this, we as a team are available to you 24 hours 7. No if, no but. 100% commitment. Colonel Moore is joining from IIT Kanpur and he has plans and we expect to become stakeholders. नया दौर पुराने तौर तरीकों से नहीं चलेगा. नया दौर नए तरीकों से चलेगा. We will have to offer ourselves 24/7. Our only expectation from school is that school बेझिझक बताए कि what school administration expect from us. हमने देखा है यानी काफी पुराने रिकॉर्ड आज तक नहीं टूटे. मेरा अपना 200 मीटर का रिकॉर्ड अभी तक नहीं टूटा. Let's do something to improve that level and get these records smashed. On behalf of the entire RAI fraternity, मेरी एक एक्सपेक्टेशन स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से और भी है. जब हम फैमिली और बच्चों के साथ स्कूल में आए तो प्लीज हमारी पिछली मार्कशीट निकाल के मत दिखा देना. ये एटम बॉम्ब गिराने के समान माना जाएगा. नमस्कार.
Hi friends and seniors. I am Rajiv Dhaya. After I passed RAI Sports School, My house is Varuna, Surya, Indra, Soma. I have been asked what are my expectations from the Rice School. Even though I will be living next to Rice Sport School, as president, I don't have much expectations from the school management. I know with our principal and director, Colonel Ashok Moore, and school management, they are doing unbelievable, fantastic work. I have no right to interfere in their work. We will be more than happy to provide any support which the school may need from time to time.
Hello everyone. MNSS Rai is a name to reckon with. School management plays a very important role in every institution. I, as ERA President, will be working very strongly with the school management, and I'll expect that ERA is helped to help the school. Help to help means that whenever we go there, we want to apply or implement some ideas for the upliftment of the school. This should be welcomed. If not only all the ideas are welcomed, at least we can have some discussions, and after a lot of brainstorming and with a strong pool of resources in ERA, I think we can do much better. And I'm very sure that the principal and director, Colonel Ashok Moore, will agree to our ideas, whatever we want to implement in school, for the upliftment of the students and the faculty.